Joshua. Most of you know me as GD Code on Twitter. So many things, but for today, I'm privileged to be a co-founder of LesDAP, and today I'm with my team. But I'm just going to focus on that. I'm going to focus on what LesDAP is. So let's just go quickly. It's like I'll wait first. Okay, so for most of you who know me, you've probably the first place you probably met me was at an event. I personally like to go to events like this, network with people, share ideas. I've met a lot of cool friends, business partners from event like this. But there's something that is missing, not just for me, but for every other person who loves to attend events like me, right? And that is how we connect and exchange contacts with people. A lot of the times, people connect with me, and 1 week later, they are reaching out. Hey Josh, we connected at DevFest, and to be honest, I'm totally lost on who the person is. Most of the times I don't respond to those messages because I don't know who the person is, right? And this is not just for DevFest, it's for every single event I go to. And most of the times, if you recall, you're trying to connect with someone you met at a particular event, but you really can't remember the person's name. So these are some of the problems we are trying to solve with LessDApp. So at the core, we are trying to reward you users first for networking with others. So you're here, the one of the aim of dev fest like this is for you to actually meet new people, connect with every other one, right? But we want to make that process very smooth for you. So that's what we are doing for users. And then for event organizers, what we are doing is we're trying to help you streamline the process of onboarding users. So some of you that came quite early, you noticed there was a queue outside and you have to wait for your turn before you could sign in. So, but with LessDApp, you can easily scan event QR code and sign in right from your phone, and you don't need to write your name or tell anybody your email address or anything, right? So, next slide, save time. Our opportunity to be working on this is very important. I mentioned my teammates because these guys have been working on this like day in, day out. Actually, we pushed our second ever build this morning around 7 a.m. Our app broke while we were testing it. I said they rushed and fixed. So, quick shout out to Source Code. Well, most of you already know who he is. He's part of the host for the event too. Miracle, we're actually a very distributed team. Some of us are not in Nigeria, but yes, you have me here today and some of other teammates. So we have Miracle, who is a senior mobile engineer working on this app with us. We also have Kester, who is also our lead mobile engineer, and Kester is here as well. And then we have Son of Stone, he's our head of design. Anything visuals at LessDApp, he handles that. So one more thing, one more slide. Okay, so what we want you guys to do today is just help test out the app, right? We want you to break it. We know a lot of things are not working yet, and we are aware of it. But however, we still want you to try it out and give us feedback on what you think will be the best for you on the app, what you think we should add, or what you think we should remove. So you can scan the QR code. It takes you to our website. Just scroll down to the bottom. You see a link to download. For Android users, it's a little bit strenuous, the process, because the app is currently on closed testing, which means we are not publicly live yet. You can only access it when we give you permission. And the process to get that permission is a little bit strenuous. It's beyond our control. It's something Google is handling by themselves. So you just go through the process, sign in. But for iOS users, all you need is a test flight application. If you don't have that already, just go ahead, download the test flights, scan the QR code, and then you'll be granted access to be one of the first people to try out our app. And yes, I know they've mentioned this before, but I will just mention it again. We are starting our reward from today. So we are going to be rewarding the top 3 networkers here at this event. So we have gifts. We got gifts earlier on. So if you want to win or want to be part of people that will win those gifts, just scan, connect with other people. You're going to see their profile card on the app, and you can easily connect with them better, and you stand the chance to win one of the amazing gifts we have. So yeah, that's it about Let's Dab. To save time, I won't be taking any question here. So if you have any question about Let's Dab, just meet me somewhere behind after now, and I'll be more than happy to answer your question. Thank you very much.
Hello, everyone. Good evening. My name is Audu Desmond Adama. Um, I am the partner at PropTech Roundup, right? So, PropTech Roundup, we like to describe ourselves as a business intelligence company. So, what we do is we offer data to investors in an emerging area of housing called PropTech. So PropTech is basically a sector of housing where we see the deployment of technology in the operations of how people relate with the future of housing, right? So next year we are, because like I said, we collect data and offer business advisory either by way of deal sourcing or due diligence or legal advice per se. So next year we're going to be doing what we describe as Africa Confidence Outlook. So Africa Confidence Outlook is basically us going zone to zone in areas in maybe Nigeria, Lagos, especially Nigeria, Lagos, Port Harcourt, in places in Africa like Ghana, in Accra, and South Africa. So we realized that basically in the outside community, nobody is fully aware of what is happening in Enugu. Nobody knows those who are building, founders who are building innovations in the intersection of housing, construction, real estate, and what have you. So I'm primarily here to connect with as many founders who are either building in Web3 or maybe using artificial intelligence or whichever technologies that are being currently deployed, and to get to know what exactly they are doing, how can we create a pipeline for them. You know, basically their thesis so that investors can be aware of it. So if there's any founder here who is working in basically any area that has to do with property technology, maybe real estate or sustainability, please just hit me up on the WhatsApp. My number is 091 Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. I am Nze Livinus, representing Zootech. Zootech is a company that what we do, we just provide services. It's not really a startup. We're not really a startup company. We have been in the business for some years now. But currently, we have some products. We have some products that we are bringing out to answer some questions and give some services. Product like Zoo Fashion. Zoo Fashion is a product we designed for fashion industry, where you can market your products, get buyers, get customers directly. The customers will speak with the product offers directly. Now, in Zoo Fashion, you don't just advertise your fashion products. You can meet your potential clients there, make payments through the Zoo Fashion application. The Zoo Fashion application will be launched next week. We're already on it. Then we'll have another product coming up 2025. If you go outside, you will see the product I'm talking about, the central wall. This product is an anti-DDoS service. With this product, you can secure your website, any project, any tech project you have. You secure your website, your mobile apps, anything you want to host from hijackers, so that when you host your products, it can be hijacked by just anybody. So Zootech is here to provide solutions to our problems. How I wish we have more time to talk about these products. And this central wall is still on the wait list. By 2025, we'll be launching these particular products. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Onyeruchi Esther, speaking for Skudu Labs. Skudu Labs is like a startup from Genesis. Basically, what we do is like we do machine learning, augmented reality, mostly 3D models. We make games. We do like estate ARs and stuff for people. So like the first product that we are showcasing today is like a game. Please, this slide. Yeah, Aberon. Aberon is like a mobile game where, please, next slide. If you can scan this QR code, it take you to a Google Play Store where you'll be able to like download the game. It's just like a runner's game like Temple Run or Subway Surf. That's what the game idea is about. Then the next product that we have is like Estate OpenX. OpenX is a virtual reality um, site where like you showcase 3D models of a particular thing. Our first client was like an art gallery. If you scan this QR code, it takes you to the products where you see art galleries, art pieces that are supposed to be in on the physical place. Yeah, they're supposed to be physically. You just see them, and then when you hover, you can get the details of that particular art. It can be extended to any product, but this was our first client. So please, the next slide. So estate AR is like another product where architecture, like it's an architectural product. That's the first product we've built. You basically a 3D, like you draw a building plan and then represent it 3D model on how this building works in the intricacies and every single thing inside the building. You'll be able to see it with this estate AR. Yeah. So the next product that we're showcasing today. Next slide, please. Okay,
Next
yeah.
slide.
Hell is Coming is an augmented reality game where like you can see 3D stuff. You can also interact with your environment like this, but you see things around you where you can play with like a sword to kill enemies and stuff like that. Those are the products that we have. This one is currently ongoing, so there is no link to access it properly. So that's it. Thank you very much.
A round of applause.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Evelyn. I'm a sales representative from Collect Space. So, first off, we are here to tell you that Collect Space is live. Collect Space is an online platform. What we do is we make event spaces available for people to book online for any of your events, ranging from wedding, birthday parties. So we serve to customers. We help the event space owners get access to more audience, while we help the users, that is someone who wants to host an event, get access to the event space of his or her choice. So basically, we are not just a product, we are here to solve problems. That means we help remove the problems and the hassles of looking for spaces, finding the best for your event. What we do is you come to our platform, which is collectspace.com. Collectspace.com. When you come to collectspace.com, you will see opportunity to choose what you want based on the location you are looking for and the size of the hall, the number of persons you're expecting. And you pay right on the platform. You don't need to go to the location to pay. So you pay and your space gets secured. So another thing about Collect Space is that we are expanding into the world of event centers such that you can come into us, get access not just to the spaces, but schedules and every other person you would need to assist you during your event processes. Now, these are our advantages. Collect Space has access to everything you can see here, event data sorting, flexible pricing, and all that. So I'm here to tell you that Collect Space is here. If you have an event, please book through us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, so basically, I'm showing up to my academy. I started this because I discovered a lot of people have skills. They want to apply that skills to do something, but they don't have the motivation of people around them to do that. So that's why Dome Academy exists, to actually encourage people to build together. currently we're running a cohort called Build Along. It's an 8 month cohort, and it was just basically targeted at web developers that want to learn how to build projects. And it's still ongoing. We're in the final week, and it's ending this week. What we do is that from time to time we have webinars. Webinars from time to time, weekly webinars, and we also have courses on our platform at the moment that you can actually enroll for and take and learn on your own, and they are totally free. The first course is programming for beginners, and the second course is introduction to Git and GitHub. It's just a very simple course. You can go through the course from start to finish. From next year, we're going to launch course. Course is on the platform. The course on the platform is you enroll for a training, and you're going to be part of a training for a long period of time. You're going to get access to projects to work on, and you're going to work on a Keystone project. And from the Keystone project, you're also going to work on weekly projects from time to time. I'm going to have a community of people that you can, if you're having any problem with the projects you're working on, you can actually report on the platform and do that. For you to check out the platform is domeinitiative.com, Dome Initiative, just together.com. That's the platform. And if you want to be part of the community on WhatsApp, it's bit.ly/join-dome, like bit.ly/join-dome. That's just it. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, good evening. My name is Ake Jules, and I'm a product manager with Cotivite. So I'll just tell you who we are. Cotivite is a learning platform designed to help young people, especially undergraduates and fresh graduates, master tech skills and build successful career in the tech industry. It offers bootcamp in various tracks such as product management, software development, product design. Cotivite is dedicated to equipping its participants with hands-on experience, mentorship, and a strong foundation for striving in the competitive tech world. Okay, our mission: to empower young individuals with the knowledge, skills, and practical experience needed to excel in tech industry, fostering innovation, inclusive and professional growth. Now, this is our goal: skill development, career readiness, community building, accessibility, long-term growth. That's to inspire participants to continuously learn, innovate, and make a meaningful impact in their tech skills. Why pick Cotivite? We are tailored for beginners. Cotivite is designed specifically for undergraduates and fresh graduates, like I earlier mentioned, providing foundational knowledge and hand-on experience for a smooth entry into the tech world. By choosing Cotivite, you are not just joining a boot camp, you are joining a movement to transform your passion into a striving career. Thank you.
Give her a round of applause.